Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn how to use Bubble API connector to convert PDF into JSON format. First, log into your Bubble account and click My Templates. Next, fill out the template form to create a new template. Then, click on the edit icon to open a new template. Click on the Start with a blank page button and close the assistant. Let's add two elements. Click or drag input elements for the source file. Click or drag button element to send request. Then, click on the Plugins tab and add plugins. Look for API connector and click on the Install button. After installing the API connector, click on the Add Another API. Let's set up the API connector configuration. In the API name field, type in your desired API name. In the name field, type in your preferred name. Then, select Post for the method and enter the PDF to JSON API endpoint. You can get the endpoint in PDF.co API docs. In the Uses drop-down box, select the Action option. For the Data Type drop-down box, choose your preferred data type. For the headers, add X-API-key for the first key. And enter your PDF.co API key for the value. You can get API key in your PDF.co dashboard. For the second key under headers, type accept. And application/JSON for the value. Let's add the parameter. For the key field, enter the URL parameter. And input the source file URL for the value. Then, click on the Queries checkbox and click on the Initialize Call button. Once the API connector was set up correctly, PDF.co PDF to JSON will return a sample value. After saving the returned values, go to Workflow tab and click on the box to add an event. Then, select the Elements and an element is clicked option. Click on the Add an Action button and select the PDF.co PDF to JSON-PDF to JSON plugins. Let's insert the dynamic data value. In the URL param, select the input source file's value. Let's add another action and choose the Open an External website. Then, choose the result of PDF to JSON's body URL for the destination field. And click the Preview button. Enter the source file URL and click the Send Request button. Here's the converted JSON output. We've got a lot of video tutorials. Just visit our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.